Hello travelers, and welcome back to Virtual Travel by Juan. Today we're exploring an important question many pet owners ask while preparing healthy meals. Can dogs eat broccoli? This nutrient-packed vegetable is a staple in cuisines around the world, from Chinese stir-fries to Italian pasta dishes. But is it safe to share with your four-legged companion? Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on more animals, travel, and lifestyle content like this. Let's get started. While many human superfoods are dangerous for our canine companions, broccoli contains powerful compounds that can either boost your dog's immune system or potentially lead to severe digestive distress, depending on one critical factor that most pet owners overlook. This common vegetable is considered both medicine and poison in the canine world, containing cancer-fighting nutrients alongside natural compounds that can become toxic when fed in the wrong amount or prepared incorrectly. The difference between a health-boosting treat and a veterinary emergency comes down to understanding the 25% rule that veterinary toxicologists have established, which I'll explain in detail. Broccoli basics. Let's start with the fundamental facts about broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable in the Brassicaceae family, which also includes cabbage, kale, and cauliflower. This nutrient-dense vegetable has been cultivated for thousands of years and is now a staple in diets worldwide. For humans, broccoli is widely considered a nutritional powerhouse containing high levels of vitamin C and K fiber, potassium folate, and antioxidants including sulforaphane. It also has anti-inflammatory compounds. The good news is that yes, dogs can eat broccoli in moderation. Many of the health benefits that broccoli offers humans can extend to dogs as well. The vitamins and minerals support overall health, while the fiber can contribute to digestive wellness. The antioxidants, particularly sulforaphane, have been studied for their potential cancer-fighting properties in both humans and animals. However, broccoli also contains isothiocyanates, compounds found in all cruciferous vegetables. These compounds are what give broccoli its slightly bitter taste and are responsible for both beneficial and potentially harmful effects in dogs, depending on the quantity consumed. While small amounts of isothiocyanates may have anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory effects, larger amounts can irritate the digestive system. This is where the importance of moderation comes in, which we'll discuss in more detail shortly. Nutritionally speaking, broccoli is low in calories and can be a good option for dogs who need to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. It provides a satisfying crunch and bulk without adding significant calories to the diet. Broccoli offers several potential health benefits for dogs when fed appropriately. The compound sulforaphane, found in broccoli, has been studied extensively for its potential anti-cancer effects. Research suggests it may help inhibit certain types of cancer cells and reduce inflammation associated with cancer development. For older dogs or breeds predisposed to cancer, including some broccoli in their diet might offer some protective benefits. The fibrous texture of raw broccoli can help clean dogs' teeth as they chew, potentially reducing plaque and tartar buildup. This natural brushing action is particularly beneficial for dogs who resist regular toothbrushing. The high vitamin C content in broccoli supports immune function, which may help dogs fight off infections and recover more quickly from illness. While dogs can produce vitamin C in their bodies, unlike humans, additional dietary sources may be beneficial during times of stress or illness. Broccoli contains various compounds with anti-inflammatory properties, which may help dogs with conditions like arthritis or allergies. These compounds can help reduce overall inflammation in the body, potentially improving comfort and mobility. The high fiber content and low calorie density of broccoli make it an excellent choice for overweight dogs. It provides volume and satisfaction while contributing minimal calories to the diet. The fiber also promotes feelings of fullness, which may help reduce begging and overeating. The fiber in broccoli supports healthy digestion and regular bowel movements. Soluble fiber acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria and promoting a healthy microbiome. This is particularly important for dogs with sensitive digestive systems or those prone to constipation. Broccoli contains lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that support eye health and may help prevent age-related eye conditions. This could be particularly beneficial for older dogs or breeds prone to eye problems. While these benefits are impressive, it's important to remember that they come with an important caveat. Broccoli must be fed in appropriate amounts and prepared properly to be safe for dogs. Let's discuss the potential risks and how to mitigate them. Despite its health benefits, broccoli does present some potential risks for dogs that pet owners should be aware of. The most significant concern with broccoli is the isothiocyanate compounds I mentioned earlier. While these compounds offer health benefits in small amounts, they can become toxic when consumed in large quantities. Veterinary toxicologists have established what's known as the 25% rule regarding broccoli and dogs. Broccoli is generally safe when it constitutes less than 10% of a dog's daily food intake. Mild to moderate digestive upset may occur when broccoli makes up 10 to 25% of daily intake. Potentially toxic effects can occur when broccoli exceeds 25% of daily food intake. Symptoms of isothiocyanate toxicity include severe gastric irritation, abdominal pain, excessive gas, diarrhea, nausea, and vomiting. In severe cases, damage to the digestive tract can occur. Broccoli stems can be tough and fibrous, potentially posing a choking hazard, especially for small dogs or those who tend to gulp their food without chewing properly. The small florets could also become lodged in a dog's throat if not cut into appropriate sizes. Even below toxic levels, broccoli's high fiber content can cause digestive upset in some dogs, especially if introduced suddenly or in large amounts. Dogs with sensitive stomachs may experience gas, bloating, or diarrhea, even with moderate portions. Like other cruciferous vegetables, broccoli contains goitrogens, compounds that can interfere with thyroid function by inhibiting iodine uptake. While this is rarely a concern in healthy dogs eating moderate amounts, it could potentially exacerbate existing thyroid conditions. Non-organic broccoli may contain pesticide residues that could be harmful to dogs. Dogs are often more sensitive to these chemicals than humans, making thorough washing essential. Many human preparations of broccoli include ingredients that are harmful to dogs, such as garlic and onions, which are toxic to dogs, salt, which can lead to sodium ion poisoning, oils and butter, which may cause pancreatitis, and cheese sauces, which can cause digestive upset and contain excess fat. These risks underscore the importance of proper preparation and appropriate portion sizes when feeding broccoli to dogs. How broccoli is prepared can significantly impact both its safety and digestibility for dogs. Here's how to prepare broccoli properly for your canine companion. Always wash broccoli thoroughly, even if it's organic. This helps remove dirt, potential bacteria, and any pesticide residues that might be present. A vegetable brush can be useful for cleaning the textured surfaces of broccoli florets. Size and texture considerations are important when feeding broccoli to dogs. For small dogs, it's best to cut broccoli into very small pieces, about the size of a pea, to prevent choking. For medium to large dogs, slightly larger pieces are acceptable, but still ensure they're small enough to be easily chewed. Also, make sure to remove any particularly tough or woody stems that might be difficult to digest. Both parts of broccoli can be fed to dogs, but they each require specific preparation. Florets are softer and easier to digest, but should still be cut into appropriate sizes. Stems, on the other hand, should be peeled to remove the tough outer layer and then sliced thinly or diced. While both raw and cooked broccoli can be safe for dogs, cooking offers several advantages. Steaming is the optimal cooking method as it softens the broccoli without leaching too many nutrients. Steamed broccoli is easier for dogs to digest and reduces the risk of choking while preserving most of the beneficial compounds. A quick blanch in boiling water followed by an ice bath can soften broccoli while retaining nutrients and crunch. This method also helps reduce the levels of isothiocyanates, making the broccoli less likely to cause digestive upset. Boiling makes broccoli very soft and easy to digest, but it causes significant nutrient loss into the cooking water. If you choose this method, don't boil for too long. Roasting or sautéing should be avoided when preparing broccoli for dogs, as they typically involve oils, butter, and seasonings that aren't dog-friendly. Never add salt, butter, oil, or seasonings. Avoid garlic, onions, or spicy ingredients that are toxic to dogs. Don't add cheese or creamy sauces. Avoid broccoli that has been prepared with other ingredients as part of a human dish. Both frozen and fresh broccoli can be suitable for dogs. Frozen broccoli is often already blanched, which can make it easier to digest, but ensure there are no added salt or preservatives in the ingredients list. As promised, here's the specific preparation technique that can make a significant difference in preventing digestive emergencies when feeding broccoli to your dog. The most effective method for reducing the risk of isothiocyanate toxicity while preserving nutritional benefits is a two-step cooking process. Step 1. Blanching. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil. Prepare a bowl of ice water nearby. Cut the broccoli into appropriately sized pieces for your dog. Place the broccoli in the boiling water for exactly 30 seconds. Immediately remove and plunge into the ice water to stop the cooking process. Allow to cool completely in the ice bath for about 1 minute, then drain thoroughly. Step 2. Light steaming. Place the blanched broccoli in a steamer basket. Steam over simmering water for 2 to 3 minutes until slightly tender but still firm. Remove from heat and allow to cool completely before serving. The blanching process helps break down some of the isothiocyanate compounds that can cause digestive issues when consumed in excess. This quick exposure to high heat alters these compounds without destroying all the beneficial nutrients. The ice bath stops the cooking process immediately, preserving crispness and nutrient content while preventing overcooking. This is important because overcooking can lead to nutrient loss and make the broccoli too soft and mushy. The light steaming further softens the broccoli for easier digestion while preserving most nutrients. The steaming process also helps break down some of the fibrous components that can be difficult for dogs to digest, while retaining the beneficial compounds. This two-step method results in broccoli that is lower in potentially irritating isothiocyanates, easier for dogs to digest, less likely to cause gas or bloating, still nutrient-rich and beneficial, and appropriately textured to reduce choking risk. For dogs with particularly sensitive stomachs, you can extend the blanching time to 60 seconds, which will further reduce the concentration of isothiocyanates, though it will also reduce some of the nutritional benefits. Now that we know how to prepare broccoli safely, let's discuss appropriate serving sizes for dogs of different sizes and considerations for special populations. General guidelines by size. Small dogs, under 20 pounds, should have 1 to 2 small florets, which is about 1 to 2 teaspoons. Medium dogs between 20 and 50 pounds can have 2 to 3 florets, roughly 1 to 2 tablespoons. Large dogs over 50 pounds can have up to 1/4 cup of chopped broccoli. Remember the 10% rule? Broccoli should constitute no more than 10% of your dog's daily food intake to avoid potential digestive issues. Frequency recommendations. For a first-time introduction, offer just a single small piece and watch for any adverse reactions over the next 24 hours. For regular serving, limit it to 1 to 2 times per week maximum, not daily. Consider using broccoli as a topper or mix-in rather than a standalone treat. Special considerations. For puppies. Puppies have more sensitive digestive systems and different nutritional needs than adult dogs. It's generally best to avoid giving puppies broccoli until they're at least 6 months old, and then introduce it very gradually in small amounts. For senior dogs. Older dogs may benefit from the anti-inflammatory properties of broccoli, but might have more sensitive digestive systems. Cooking the broccoli thoroughly and starting with smaller portions is recommended. For dogs with health conditions. Hypothyroidism. Dogs with thyroid issues should have limited exposure to goitrogens found in broccoli. Consult with your veterinarian before including it in their diet. Digestive disorders. Dogs with inflammatory bowel disease, colitis, or other digestive conditions may not tolerate broccoli well. If you choose to try it, start with very small, well-cooked portions. Diabetes. The fiber in broccoli can affect blood sugar levels. While generally beneficial, portions should be consistent and part of an overall diet plan for diabetic dogs. Dogs on medications. Some medications can interact with compounds in broccoli or affect how dogs process certain nutrients. Always check with your veterinarian before introducing new foods if your dog is on medication. Introduction. Method. When first introducing broccoli to your dog's diet, start with a tiny amount mixed with their regular food. Gradually increase the quantity over several weeks while monitoring for any digestive upset. This slow introduction allows the digestive system to adjust and makes it easier to identify any adverse reactions. While broccoli can be a healthy addition to many dogs' diets when properly prepared and served in appropriate amounts, it's important to know what signs might indicate a problem. Watch for these warning signs: excessive gas or bloating, abdominal discomfort like whining, restlessness or unusual postures, vomiting or diarrhea, lethargy or decreased appetite, and signs of an allergic reaction, which are rare but possible, such as itching, hives, or facial swelling. When to seek immediate veterinary care: persistent vomiting, more than 2 or 3 episodes, bloody diarrhea, signs of abdominal pain like a hunched posture or crying when touched, lethargy or collapse, difficulty breathing, swelling of the face, which are signs of a possible allergic reaction. In summary, broccoli can be a nutritious, low-calorie treat for dogs when prepared properly and fed in appropriate amounts. The key points to remember are: always follow the 10% rule. Broccoli should make up less than 10% of your dog's daily food intake. Prepare broccoli properly using the blanching and steaming technique to reduce digestive issues. Cut into appropriately sized pieces to prevent choking. Introduce gradually to monitor for any adverse reactions, and never add seasonings, oils, or other ingredients that could be harmful. When these guidelines are followed, broccoli can be a healthy addition to your dog's diet, providing valuable nutrients, supporting immune health, and potentially offering cancer-fighting benefits. Thank you for joining me for this exploration of broccoli safety for dogs. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Virtual Travel by Juan for more pet safety tips and global adventures. In the comments, let me know what other foods you'd like me to cover in future videos. Until next time, this is Juan wishing you and your pets safe and happy travels.